person. There's a kind of magic in the way we move toward it. No, don't overthink it. Let the rhythm draw you in, yeah. You've been taking your time, but tonight feels different. Eyes meet, heartbeat, so sweet. Right now, no doubt, feel it now. I'm ready, yeah, I'm ready. Night still young, we can let the moment lead us. We go from here, maybe something good between us. Stay with me, let the music say the rest now. One more step and watch the whole room fade out. I know you came here for somebody, somebody who can light the room. And I can feel your eyes all on me. Baby, I'ma show you what I do. Step right back, let me work, baby. Watch me do my work, yeah. Fall back, let me work, baby. Watch me do my work. These midnight streets have got me spinning. Neon halos in the rain. Too many nights with no one with me, trying to laugh away the ache. Every hour moves in slow motion. Every thought comes back to you. I keep inventing small distractions, but none of them can pull me through. You keep slipping through my daydreams, turning quiet into noise. And every corner of my small world echoes with the thought of your voice. So what a sweet delusion, falling for you like I do, filling up these empty pages with the little things I'd never say to you. The steady-hearted girl I used to be has disappeared without a trace. I try to act like I'm collected, then your memory gives me away. Oh, what a sweet delusion, being so undone by you. I used to roll my eyes at dreamers, girls who floated off so far. Now I'm the one who checks the window, counting wishes on a star. I never thought I'd lose my balance, never thought I'd speak this way. But now my careful words keep falling every time you cross my brain. You move softly through my mind now like a record low and blue. And I keep building little futures that may never quite come true. Oh, what a sweet delusion, falling for you like I do, filling up these empty pages with the little things I never say to you. The self-assured side deep inside me has gone missing night by night. I try to hold my head up proudly, but your name unravels my disguise. Oh, what a sweet delusion, being so undone by you. I linger near the silence, waiting for the screen to glow, like some black and white romantic scene I used to think I'd outgrow. And in a crowded room I catch myself mistaking strangers for your face. My heart keeps rushing to the doorway anytime footsteps change their pace. Oh, what a sweet delusion, how you color all I do. Every song becomes a confession, every night bends back to you. The common
drops the bass.
Let's go.